Hello, my name is Barrett Sims with Moxie Music Lessons, and let's take a look at how you can manage your entire schedule through my music staff, through the student portal. So we're here at moxiemusiclessons.com. You can always get to the student portal by clicking on this button in the top right. And if you've logged in before, you can just click on this button to go to the portal. And that will bring you to this page. This is my test account. As we can see, it's me. I have one lesson left this week. I haven't practiced this week because I haven't been very good. And I don't have any makeup credits. And here I can see my lesson coming up is this Saturday at 3:30, and I can cancel this lesson if I want. And I can look at what weeks I have ahead. So this is next week, if I know next week I'm going to be out, or the following week, so I can find the date that I want. But sometimes I need a bigger overview of my schedule. So I can come over here to my calendar view and click on calendar. And that brings me to this calendar view here, which is very nice. If I have multiple students, I can look at them here. So if you're a parent and you've got 2 or more students, you'll see different students here. So we can see today's 27th. I've got a lesson here. And what I can do, if I can't make this lesson, I can cancel this lesson or I can reschedule it. So I can click on this reschedule. It brings me up to this reschedule booking, and I can see all the availabilities here where I can reschedule lessons. I've got a lot of availability. So I can reschedule that lesson right there. If I'm not ready to reschedule the lesson, I can just cancel this booking right here. And it'll cancel, and if I have more than 24 hours advance notice, I'll get a makeup credit, and then I can reschedule that. So we can see I can choose these nav buttons up here, and this will let me see my entire schedule. And it's pretty helpful if you're scheduling and you need to cancel lessons that are out into the future. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you very much.